Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new background layer. Right click, new and solid layer. Add name background and OK. Move to behind of layers. Go to Effects presets, search Effect Fill. Choose Fill used for background layer. And color, let's choose white like this. Click OK. And choose background, Control D for duplicate. Let's delete fill and change name grid. Go to Effects presets, search Effect Grid and use grid for grid solid layer. And go to corner point, choose width slider and change slider like this. Also border, let's change 3 and opacity. So choose these two layers and right click, pre-compose, add name background and OK. So close background composition and lock composition for now. Let's create new null object for control all scene. Add name camera movement. And for move the anchor point to center, hold Control and double click pen behind icon and collization tool. So in this time, choose these three layers. Let's link to camera movements and choose layer 1, press S and change scale 0. Create scale keyframe. For go to 10 keyframes, hold Shift, press page down keyboard and write 110. Go to 10 keyframes, change 90, again 10 keyframes, 100, and choose keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, this is simple bounce animation. And let's add some details. Hold Shift, press R, open rotation. Go to first second, create rotation keyframe right here 25. And go to next keyframe, write -12. And next keyframe, write 7. And next keyframe, -4. And go to 10 keyframes again, write 2, again 10 keyframes, 0. And make it keyframes easy. And hold Alt, move to left for random animation. Let's see. Nice. So choose these keyframes, let's copy and close layer 1 settings. Go to first second, choose layer 3, let's Control V, and layer 4, Control V. Let's see. Nice. So choose layer 3, let's move to right, and layer 4, move to right. Okay, perfect. So in this time, let's choose this background, let's unlock and link to camera movements null object. Select null, press P and create new patching keyframe. Go to 5 seconds and move it down. And choose these keyframes, make it easy. And go to here. Choose background, go to Effects presets, search Effect Reptile. Choose CC Reptile, use for background. And go to expand down, change value. Okay, that's all. Let's go to here, let's change more. Let's see. Okay, this looks falling camera animation. Okay. In this time, choose this layer 1, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to here, let's keyframe of camera and move it down. And choose these keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, go to graph editor and choose this graph. Let's move to right. For falling animation, also last keyframe, move to here. And choose work area. Let's see. Okay, choose these camera keyframes, go to graph editor and make falling graph like this. Let's see. Nice. Also, let's keyframe, move to right. Okay, back to keyframes. And now choose this layer 1, hold Shift, press S, open scale, and click scale icon. And now let's create scale keyframe. And go to here, change scale like this. And also, and move right. Let's see. Okay, so choose keyframes, move to left for more speedily and preview again. Okay, not bad. And let's go to text right here, Y. click selection tool and go to color, use eyedropper for choose this color and go to here. Let's put like this and move to right. Press S, open scale, click scale icon, create scale keyframe and change scale 0 and go to 10 keyframes. Let's change 120 and this 80. Go to again 10 keyframes, right here 110 and here 90. Again 10 keyframes, right here 95 and here 105. Again 10 keyframe, 102 and here 98. Again 10 keyframe, 100 and here 100. Make the keyframes easy. And let's see timing. Okay, now let's choose keyframes, hold Alt, move to left and layer 1, go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete. Okay, let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's close these settings and choose 2 position keyframes and go to layer 3, press P and Ctrl V for paste. Okay, and choose 2 position keyframes, move to right and let's see. Okay, and layer 4, let's Ctrl V 2 position keyframes, press P and choose position keyframes, move to right. Okay, so in this time, select layer 3, hold Shift press S, open scale, create scale keyframe and turn off scale icon. And go to here and change scale like this. Also layer 4, hold Shift press S, open scale, go to back, create scale keyframe, turn off scale icon and go to here, change scale like this. And choose these keyframes, let's see timing. Okay, we can move to right and this, move to right. And now let's choose this layer 3 and edit, split layer, delete. And layer 4, go to here, again split and delete. Choose this Y, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right. Change text E. Let's see. Okay, we can move to right text and again Ctrl D for duplicate. Move to right this text and move to here, change S. Okay, so let's see for timing. So let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. And also choose this layer 4, enable for motion blur, and layer 3, enable. Okay, perfect. So for better results, let's choose this E and move to left. Nice. Also S, move to left a little bit. So for better dynamic animation, we can add here shape elements, particles, and fireworks. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.